welcome back. Christmas is not here yet, but I received some presents from YAKK XP. I was contacted by YAKK XP, a team from Poland, which they are creating adventure motorcycle gear, adventure accessories, adventure motorcycle accessories. And they have some pretty interesting accessories for the Honda Transalp 750. So I was very curious. I was actually interested to change the bike looks a bit, to change the graphics of the bike. And YAKK XP offered me some accessories. They will surprise you a bit because I already have some of them installed. Some accessories that are already installed on my bike, but these ones are meant to change the bike completely in terms of design and functionality. So let's proceed with the unboxing and we're gonna look on each single accessory. This is the unboxing video. We're gonna take a look at the quality of the accessories, take a look at the accessories themselves and put them together on the bike to see what we're gonna do with the bike and what we're gonna do with the accessories from YAKK XP. Let's check the box. YAKK XP, a company from Poland, sent me a couple of accessories for the Honda Transalp 750. Put them together to see what I would like to achieve at my Honda Transalp over here. Check it out, already made the upgrading with the high fender kit from Camel ADV, then with the brake lines from Pro Brake. I've changed them, I've ordered a new longer ones. Will be a little bit transformed in terms of visuals. Stay until the end because I have some surprises for you. All right, let's start and open the box. I'm very curious to see what's inside. All right, I'm very excited to see what's inside. It's a surprise for me regarding the accessories and the packing. I'm very curious to see how they're looking actually. All right, very well packed. Protections are very well protected, from what I can see. Okay, first is first. All right, this is the headlight protection, headlight guard, component list, headlight guard. It comes with the spacers, bolts, and everything you need to mount it on the bike. As you can see, I don't have a headlight guard, but this will fit perfectly on my bike. I was searching for something like this because I had some off-road ridings in the forest, and of course it's important to have the headlight protected, especially off-road. So this is the headlight protection, headlight guard from YAKK XP. This is the first accessory. All right, let's take the small one. You can guess that this is the chain protection, color black. I think it looks very nice. I'm looking forward to mount it. We're gonna mount everything in a separate video. We don't want to mix things. We also have a small present, a buffer, which I'm gonna definitely use on my rides. Very nice. Let's see what's here. Of a promotional flag. I think gonna use it of course on our installation, on our videos regarding the YAKK XP. It's very nice to have. And here's the most important part. I wonder if you guess what it is. Okay, let's see. Wow. Oh, nice. Nice. We start with the engine guard. This is the engine guard. Check out the color, man. White color for the engine guard, inspired by Carpathian trails. Sounds nice. Wow, the quality is very good. We're gonna inspect with the camera in the next minutes. But now let's first open it. Okay, so these are the engine guards. Very well protected, very well packed. I'm gonna put them behind and see what else do we have. You can see the color, it's beautiful. The white color, I wanted that color since the beginning for my crash bars, but now it comes the time to change. And here we have all the bolts, all the washers, the necessary brackets. We're gonna put them aside. These are the big ones. What do we have here? Oh, nice, nice. Some stickers. Let's not lose them. Let's not lose them because we're gonna use them in the next steps. Also, the instructions are here. Very nicely printed, high quality paper. Very explicit. We're gonna keep this. We're gonna keep them as well in order to have a proper installation. The package is more than well packed, but that's good. Almost done. All right, these are some adapters, the plates, which will keep both crash bars together to the bike, to the bike's frame. It's a little bit different than I'm used with, but that's why I look forward to see the mounting, to see how they will fit eventually to the bike. Nice, nice. All right. And the last one, last but not least, this is it. Nice, nice. Okay, this is from this side. Okay, nice. Imagine everything will be white, all the protections, but not only the protections, because I'm planning something more. That's why I'm not telling you everything right now. It's important to take a look closely to these accessories and see the quality, see how they will fit, install them on the bike. But before that, we still have something to do. And we get complete instructions for mounting the crash bars. These are the lower crash bars. Everything is explained in the pictures. We have detailed picture for every step. I think they will look very nice on the bike. We also have the component list presented with the washers, brackets, bolts, and everything, nuts, everything you need in order to perfectly install. And these are the crash bars, the lower ones. I think they look pretty nice. Very good quality, very nice finishing. You can see for yourself. Perfect weldings. A very nice job done by the team from YAKK XP. Check out the color, the welding. Everything looks very good so far. The packing, it's perfect. I think even if you throw the package from the 7th floor, everything will stay in place because it's very, very well packed. As you saw already, packing was perfect so far. All right, so these are the accessories from YAKK XP. I'm looking forward to install them on my bike. I'm gonna detail what I'm planning. Let's see the upper crash bars. They are looking very nice weldings, very nice packed. They look very good quality. They have a different mounting system. I'm looking forward to see how it will fit on my bike, because I have also the fog lights, the additional lights, and other accessories. Hopefully they will fit perfectly. I was expecting also the skid plate. Most likely it will come on another package. So far just got the crash bars, the headlight protection, the chain guard. I'm waiting for the skid plate, which is by the way also white color. Okay, so the plan is to upgrade the visuals of the bike, but also some practical things like crash bar, engine guard, the skid plate, chain guard, headlight guard. And before I will install everything from YAKK XP on my bike, I'm planning to change the visuals in terms of decals. Yes, you guessed, I'm gonna have new decals on my bike, custom-made decals from a very good company. Very high quality decals for my bike. I think the bike deserves its own personality. It deserves its own style now. More about the decals, more about the custom-made stickers. I will come up with the updates in the next video. First, I need to receive them, I need to make the unboxing and see how we're gonna install everything, because first we have to install the decals and then I'm gonna put the new white protections from YAKK XP. So let's wait first to receive the stickers, the decals, then we're gonna put the new crash bars, the new protections from YAKK XP, and then the bike will have its the look I was thinking before changing everything in terms of visuals. I'm planning more and more videos on the channel very soon regarding the latest upgrades, regarding the new HP Course exhaust, full exhaust, regarding the high fender kit, regarding the new brake lines. So I look forward to share everything on the channel, so stick around.